Chiropractic care focuses on the relationship between the spine and the nervous system. A healthy spine is crucial for overall well-being. Chiropractors use adjustments to address spinal misalignments, known as subluxations. These subluxations can interfere with nervous system function. Chiropractic care takes a holistic approach, considering the entire body. It aims to address the root cause of pain and dysfunction. By restoring spinal alignment, chiropractic care helps the body heal naturally. It is a safe and effective treatment for all ages. Chiropractic care is non-invasive and drug-free. Millions have experienced pain relief and improved health through chiropractic care. Chiropractic adjustments are precise, controlled forces applied to specific joints in the spine. These adjustments are tailored to the individual's needs and performed using various techniques. The primary goal is to restore proper spinal alignment and movement, reducing nerve interference. Misalignment can pressure nerves, muscles, and tissues, causing pain and inflammation. Adjustments relieve this pressure, allowing the body to heal and function optimally. They also improve communication between the brain and the body. The popping sound is the release of gas bubbles in the joint fluid, a normal part of the process. Acute pain is a sudden onset of pain that is usually sharp and intense. It is often caused by an injury, such as a fall or a car accident. Chiropractic care is highly effective in relieving acute pain by addressing the underlying cause. Chiropractic adjustments help to reduce pain by restoring proper joint movement and reducing nerve compression. When a joint is restricted or misaligned, it can cause inflammation and pain. Adjustments help to reduce this inflammation and restore normal joint function, providing rapid pain relief. In addition to adjustments, chiropractors may use other therapies to address acute pain, such as ice, heat, or massage. These therapies help to reduce inflammation, muscle spasms, and pain. Chiropractic care is a safe and effective alternative to pain medication. While pain medication may mask the symptoms, it does not address the underlying cause of the pain. Chiropractic care, on the other hand, aims to correct the root of the problem, providing long-lasting relief. Chronic pain is defined as pain that persists for 3 months or longer. It can be debilitating and significantly impact a person's quality of life. While traditional medicine often focuses on managing symptoms with medication, chiropractic care offers a proactive approach to addressing the underlying causes of chronic pain. Chiropractic adjustments can help to alleviate chronic pain by addressing spinal misalignments, reducing nerve compression, and restoring proper joint function. Over time, these adjustments can help to break the cycle of pain and inflammation, providing lasting relief. Chiropractors also work with patients to develop personalized care plans that may include lifestyle modifications such as exercise, nutrition, and stress management. These lifestyle changes can help to support the body's natural healing process and prevent future pain. By taking a holistic approach to chronic pain management, chiropractic care empowers patients to regain control of their health and live fuller, more active lives. Section 5. The power of consistency. Maintaining spinal health. Consistency is key when it comes to chiropractic care. Just like regular dental checkups help maintain oral health, regular chiropractic adjustments are essential for maintaining spinal health and preventing future problems. The spine is subjected to daily wear and tear from activities like sitting, standing, and exercising. Over time, these activities can lead to spinal misalignments and joint restrictions. Regular chiropractic adjustments help to correct these misalignments, keeping the spine healthy and functioning optimally. Consistent chiropractic care also helps to improve posture, reduce the risk of injury, and enhance overall well-being. By addressing spinal issues early on, chiropractic care can help prevent small problems from developing into larger, more painful ones. Think of chiropractic care as preventative maintenance for your spine. By investing in regular adjustments, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. Section 6. Active exercises, enhancing chiropractic benefits. While chiropractic adjustments are essential for restoring proper spinal alignment, active exercises play a crucial role in strengthening muscles, improving flexibility, and supporting long-term spinal health. By combining chiropractic care with specific active exercises, patients can experience enhanced pain relief and improved overall function. Chiropractors often recommend exercises tailored to each patient's needs and conditions. These exercises may include stretching, strengthening, and low-impact aerobic activities. These exercises help to improve range of motion, reduce muscle tension, and support the spine. Active exercises also help to retrain muscles and improve coordination. When the spine is misaligned, muscles may compensate, leading to imbalances and pain. Specific exercises can help to correct these imbalances, promoting proper movement patterns and reducing strain on the spine. By actively participating in their care plan, patients become active partners in their healing journey, leading to better outcomes and a healthier lifestyle. Real-life transformations, stories of healing and hope. Countless individuals have experienced life-changing results through chiropractic care. From athletes overcoming injuries to seniors regaining mobility, real-life stories highlight the transformative power of this natural healing approach. One patient, a former marathon runner, managed his chronic back pain and returned to running, even completing a marathon pain-free. Another patient, an elderly woman with arthritis, regained mobility and independence through regular chiropractic adjustments. These stories are just a glimpse into the countless lives positively impacted by chiropractic care. Section 8. Scientific validation, evidence supporting chiropractic care. Chiropractic care is supported by a growing body of scientific evidence. Numerous studies have demonstrated its effectiveness in treating various conditions, particularly back pain, neck pain, and headaches. A comprehensive review published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that spinal manipulation, the primary technique used by chiropractors, is an effective treatment option for acute low back pain. The review also concluded that spinal manipulation is safer than traditional treatments like pain medication. Another study published in the journal Spine found that chiropractic care was more effective than traditional medical care in reducing pain and improving function in patients with chronic neck pain. The study also found that chiropractic care was more cost-effective than traditional medical care. These studies, along with many others, provide scientific validation for the effectiveness and safety of chiropractic care. As research continues to evolve, the evidence supporting chiropractic care as a valuable healthcare option continues to grow. Section 9. Beyond pain relief. Holistic benefits for overall well-being. While pain relief is a primary focus of chiropractic care, the benefits extend far beyond addressing symptoms. Chiropractic care takes a holistic approach, recognizing the interconnectedness of the body and the importance of overall well-being. By restoring proper spinal alignment and nervous system function, chiropractic care can improve sleep quality, boost the immune system, increase energy levels, and enhance athletic performance. When the body is in alignment, it functions more efficiently, leading to improved health and vitality. Chiropractic care also emphasizes the importance of lifestyle factors such as nutrition, exercise, and stress management. Chiropractors often provide guidance and support in these areas, empowering patients to make healthy choices that contribute to their overall well-being. By addressing the root cause of health concerns and promoting overall wellness, chiropractic care empowers individuals to live healthier, more fulfilling lives. Section 10. Choosing the right chiropractor. Finding your partner in health. Choosing the right chiropractor is essential for a positive and successful treatment experience. When selecting a chiropractor, consider factors such as their education, experience, communication style, and treatment approach. Look for a chiropractor who is licensed and experienced in treating your specific condition. Ask about their treatment philosophy and if they incorporate other therapies, such as massage or physiotherapy, into their practice. Effective communication is crucial for a successful patient-doctor relationship. Choose a chiropractor who listens attentively to your concerns, explains things clearly, and involves you in the decision-making process. Recommendations from friends, family, or other healthcare providers can also be helpful in finding a reputable chiropractor. Many chiropractic associations also offer online directories where you can search for qualified practitioners in your area. By investing time in finding the right chiropractor, you are investing in your health and well-being. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing chiropractic for a pain-free life. Chiropractic care offers a safe, effective, and natural approach to pain relief and overall well-being. By addressing the root cause of pain and restoring the body's innate healing ability, chiropractic care empowers individuals to live healthier, more active lives. Whether you are seeking relief from acute pain, managing chronic conditions, or simply looking to improve your overall health, chiropractic care can provide valuable support. Embracing chiropractic care as part of a holistic wellness plan can lead to a life with less pain, more mobility, and greater vitality. If you are ready to experience the transformative benefits of chiropractic care, schedule a consultation with a qualified chiropractor in your area. Take the first step towards a healthier, pain-free life today.